Hi everyone, welcome back to SQL. Today in this tutorial, we are going to talk about assertions. Assertions are one of the most important parts of any automation framework because they allow us to validate the actual result against the expected results. In Behave, we use assertions inside step definitions to confirm whether a test has passed or failed. In this video, I will show you how to use assertions in Behave with simple and clear example. So let's begin. We will use this example, Wikipedia. So here we can search Selenium and scroll down Selenium software. On click this, we need to validate Selenium software. This title should be displayed in a page after searching. So let's begin. First one PyCharm, and here two files present, search.feature and search underscore steps. First, right here scenario feature. Feature is search functionality. Search functionality and scenario. Scenario is verify search results page. Title given is I am on the Wikipedia homepage. Given I am on the Wikipedia homepage when I search for Selenium software, then page title should be displayed. Let's search here Selenium software. Then Selenium software title should be displayed. So we can write here then the page title should contain Selenium. Now write the step for this scenario. We need to write a step in step file for writing step file. First import timer for adding delays in a script from behave import port given when and then. First you need to import given and then. You can view here in scenario we write given when then. First I'm on the Wikipedia homepage when I search for Selenium software, then the page title should contain Selenium. Let's import Webdriver from Selenium and import Webdriver for initializing Webdriver, and then import by for locating element from Selenium dot Webdriver common dot by and import by. Now import keys for clicking and selecting view Selenium software text. As you can view here, when we search we need to click on Selenium software. So here we will use keys from Selenium dot Webdriver dot common dot keys and import keys. Now we have successfully import given when then and import Webdriver, import by and import keys. Next thing we need to do here, we need to do here given, use here given and define here. First I am on the Wikipedia homepage. This is given, and the step dev step context here. Dev step and that enter here. Now first initialize Webdriver here context dot driver is equal to Webdriver dot Chrome. Here multiple browsers are available. You can select. For now, click on Chrome, initialize driver, and then navigate to the URL. For navigating to the URL, we need to enter here driver context dot driver dot get, and then enter URL here. URL. Copy this complete URL. Enter URL here. First navigate to the URL and then maximize the window. For maximize window, use here context dot driver dot maximize window. It will maximize the window and add some weight here. After maximize window, 5 millisecond wait here. Next step is when I search for Selenium software. When I search for Selenium software, single quote here. Same as well, we need to enter single quote here. When I search for Selenium software, and then step dev step score context. Now we need to locate this element, which is here. You can view for searching records. Right click here, inspect, and here you can view ID is available, which is search input. So we can locate this element by ID, and we need to enter Selenium software here. Locate this element by ID. Context. First here enter variable name search underscore box is equal to context dot driver dot find underscore element by ID by dot ID, and then enter ID value is search input. First locate this element, and then we need to type here Selenium. So here we will use send keys. Search underscore box dot send underscore keys Selenium, and then enter here software Selenium software. Search underscore box dot send keys, enter here Selenium software. Selenium software. Search underscore box dot send keys and keys dot return. Here we need to select Selenium software, so we need to use here keys dot return. Add some wait here, time dot skip 3 millisecond wait. Next thing we need to do here, right? Step 4, then the page title should contain Selenium at the rate. Then the page title should contain Selenium. Enter here. Dev step for context and get the title. Title is equal to context dot driver dot title. First get the title and then use assert for verifying this title. Assert selenium in title comma f expected expected title is selenium. We are expecting that title is selenium. Here enter Singapore in title but got title. Enter single quote here. Change here title and we need to correct this text selenium. Here first get the title and use assert selenium in title expected selenium in title but got title. This is used for getting the title of the page. Now close the browser after completion all step. Close browser context traverse dot quit, which is used for closing the browser. Now we can run the test. For running this test, we need to enter here behave and then enter this folder name, which is features slash enter feature file name, which is search underscore feature. Search underscore feature. Let's run this test. And here we can view verify search result page, maximize the window. It will maximize the window and enter here Selenium software. Enter Selenium software and then verify the page title. Here you can view then the page title should contain Selenium 1 feature passed, 0 failed, 0 skipped, 3 step passed, and all steps you can view here. Verify search result on page title given I am on the Wikipedia home page. So that's how assertions works in behave. By using them correctly, you can ensure that your test case are not only executing but also validating the expected behavior of your application. In upcoming tutorial, we will cover more advanced behave concept step by step. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SQ World for more behave and testing tutorials. See you in the next video.